We're going to use the spot healing brush for this one. So this is where my husband got hit in the face with a puck several years ago. So I've got my background layer, right? I've opened up the photograph I'm going to use. Control J to duplicate the layer, because remember, these are destructive edits. So if anything goes wrong, I want to be able to go back to this background layer. And I'm just going to unlock that because I'm used to doing that. The tool that I want is the spot healing brush. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down. Looks like a little band-aid. Click and hold. If you happen to see something else like the red eye tool or content or remove tool, any of that, but we want the spot healing brush. All right. So this works better if I'm using a brush that's going to cover, in this case, the wound or whatever I'm trying to get rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I'm on a layer. I think that might have been my problem there. And paint over top of the wound, and I've got it. I could probably try and take out some of the redness that was also surrounding it. Looks pretty good. File, save as. Our usual last name underscore first name underscore. You can call this spot healing, and we'll save it as a JPEG. Save, and you'll turn it in. Oh, and click OK, and you'll turn it in.